Hello beta, this is exercise 8C and question number 7. Question number 7 and question number 8 both are the similar question but little bit different from the exercise. So in this question, he said find the smallest number, as we have done in previous questions, that how to find smallest number by taking LCM of the numbers. So the question is find the smallest number which when increased by 1. This is the main point of the question. Is exactly divisible by these numbers. Firstly, we know that how to find smallest number by taking the LCM. So let's take LCM of the numbers. Numbers are 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. So firstly we will start it with 2 and we'll get 6, 9, 12, 16, 20. In a similar way we can find the LCM, and I have find the LCM, and the LCM of these numbers become, we will multiply all the numbers. You know this thing very well. We will not check that which number is common or not common. We will multiply all the numbers, and after multiplication we will get that LCM becomes 1440. So it's time to focus on this point that which they have given. They said find the smallest number which when increased by 1 is exactly divisible. Beta, this is the key point that we have to focus, that LCM, we know this thing very well, that LCM is the number which is completely divisible by the numbers whose LCM we are taking. So he said this number is increased by 1. So it means this number is already increased by 1, na? That's why it is divisible by these numbers. So our required number will be we will subtract 1 from this number. Okay, now see this number and check the statement. He said the smallest number which when increased by 1. This number which when increased by 1. When we increase this number by 1 and we get 1440, and this is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So our required answer is this. Beta, don't get confused with the statement that he said increased by 1 and you can increase the number by 1. No, this is not the solution. This is not a right choice. So we have to subtract 1. If he is talking about increasing 1, then we will subtract the number. If he is talking about decreasing 1, then we will add the number. Okay. So let's start with our next question. This is the answer of this question. That required number is from the LCM we will subtract 1 and we'll get the answer. So our next question is find the smallest number which on being decreased by 3. This is the main point of the question. Without this we can't get the answer. Is completely divisible by these numbers. So firstly, same as that we have done in question number 7, we will find its LCM. Let's find the LCM by the common division method. So after finding the LCM, we will multiply all the numbers for the LCM. So after multiplying the numbers, we will get the answer, that is 864. So 864 is the LCM of these numbers. So here our question, that smallest number we have to find, that which on decreased by 3. Like we have a number, when we will decrease it by 3, the number which we get, that is completely divisible by these numbers. So what to do? Our required number is firstly increase. He said decrease, na? Firstly increase this number by 3 and we'll get 867. That is the required number. Now focus on the question. He said we have to find the smallest number which on being decreased by 3. So this is our smallest number. if we will decrease this number by 3 and we will get 864, this is the number which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So beta, in previous question he was talking to increase the number, and what we have did, and we have done, we have decreased number. He was talking about increase and we have decreased the number. And in this case he said in decrease by 3, and what we have did, we have increased the number, right? So hope you will done these questions, and these are very important questions, so kindly focus on these questions beta. Okay, let's meet in next video. Thank you.